Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another video with a small Victoria's Secret haul. And I just got some quick stuff from the mall, and I decided to do a haul with it because it is just some smell goods and some things that keep you fly through the fall season. Okay, so the first thing I got was a Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. I think this used to be called like something else, but it is now a Bare Vanilla. And to just test it out, let me see how it smells, because I can't remember how it smells. Okay, give me 1 second, because they have this thing sealed as true right now. So okay, so right now I'm testing it out, and I'm gonna tell you guys the closest I can make it. It sounds like that it smells. Okay, so the Bare Vanilla right here, this little guy, or this fabulous woman right here. Okay, so this is called a Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret, and it's very fall and winter like, and I feel like I could wear it a lot with the weather that is going to be coming up. I'm from Florida, so it doesn't get too cold, but it does get cold enough to where you just kind of feel the spirit of Christmas and of Thanksgiving and even of Halloween. So I feel like this smells like a very like woody slash sweet vanilla scent. If you can picture vanilla with a lot of sugar, that's how the Bare Vanilla, I think you even have Nor or Nore. That's how that smells. Just picture like a very woody smell, kind of like just very wintry wood with a mix of sugar, and that's how this smells. And of course vanilla. So it's a very good scent that I feel like I could wear a little later on in the year. It doesn't get cold in Florida until about, I would say maybe late November, and then it doesn't stay cold past like February. And it's back hot. So yeah, so this next one I have is called Velvet Petals, and I had got the spray because I want something that I can wear right now, and this is just something that I got kind of spare at the moment, but it also smells good, so I'm spraying it on myself right now. And then you gotta rub it in, ladies. You gotta get the full effect. This smells like a candy dream. Like if you could imagine yourself in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, or just like the sugar factory in a dream, that's how this smells like. It's very like not floral. It's not a lot of flowery like little girl scents, because I don't like the little girl scents. I like grown woman scents. You know, I'm up in age to where I just appreciate like the more adult scents. So the best I can describe this is like a very fresh shower in roses of grown womanness and sexiness. I can't really describe it other than that, but it's just, it smells so good, and it's a good scent, and I just love it. And this is called a Velvet Petals perfume, and I just got this, and I feel like I could just kind of bring this to work, even if I just pour a little bit in like a sample bottle type of thing. Like I feel like this would do me good until it gets a little colder, and then I would switch to probably the spray of this one because it is darker. And fun fact, one of the more expensive fragrances that I like to purchase during the winter especially is Sean John Unforgettable. That's actually one of my favorites. That and another scent. So I like to wear Unforgettable around like the winter time and things like that to keep it cute. But it's actually kind of like a woody smell too, like a very adult, just sexy smell. Like I can't even describe it. It's just like very sexy, and it stays on your clothes. Like ladies, and I will do a video of that, of how to make the fragrances stay longer on your clothes and stuff like that. So it's just like, I feel like the unforgettable is really a good buy, and I get it from like a fragrance site. It's like fragrancex.com or something. I will post it in my next video, but that is what I like to wear. And when I want to kind of be a little inexpensive, I do get something like this, which is the Bare Vanilla. I don't normally wear this every year, but it is a good alternative as of right now. I just moved, so I'm not trying to be spending a whole bundle full of cash. And the last thing I got was a lotion version of the Velvet Petals, which is the spray that I just tried. So like I said, it's a very floral, but not too floral to where it's like too girly. It's like floral and sexy. It's like wood meets dandelion type of, or just like a dream type of feel. Like this is a great buy. Victoria's Secret is now running a sale of I think it's like 3 of 25 and 2 of 20. Each of these specialties that I got is about $6 each, so I paid about $18 because I do have 3 of them, and these are the 3 that I do have. Type of, or just like a dream type of feel. Like this is a great buy. Victoria's Secret is now running a sale of I think it's like 3 of 25 and 2 of 20. Each of these specialties that I got is about $6 each, so I paid about $18 because I do have 3 of them, and these are the 3 that I do have. Alright, so yeah, these are the 3 that I do have, which is 2 lotions and a spray. And I got this just for temporary purposes for the upcoming season. You know, it is going to be start getting cold, and I do need something to just be able to bring to work and to smell good and everything like that. This is the Victoria's Secret bag. I'm pretty sure you guys know the nice Victoria's Secret bag that it comes in. They were kind of out of bags, so this is probably one of the classic bags, which is I do appreciate because, you know, it's whatever, it's the classic bag. I do not want you guys to not get it confused. Fenty Beauty. I am very much with Fenty Beauty. I wish Fenty Beauty could have a shop because right now I just moved, so I'm a little iffy with sending things to my house by mail, and that's the only reason that I did not purchase anything from Fenty Beauty. But I do see that they have like a 2 from like $29 bra sale, so I will be coming back with new Fenty Beauty products. I know my girl Ree is going to have some fragrance coming soon and some lotions and things like that, and I cannot wait to try those out. But this is my first like little haul. I just went to the store real quick, and I just wanted to show you guys what I had purchased. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos of me. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch y'all later in the next video. Bye.